What's going on, everyone? Steven here at Dadtical, and today we're going to do some smoked turkey ham. It's a 2-pound one I picked up at Kroger. Walked around, saw this, and thought, let's do this like we do bologna. So we're going to score it, put some yellow mustard on it, some rub on it, put it in the vertical pellet for about 2 hours at 220. So let's get started.
Alright, so first thing, we'll get this unwrapped. I'm just going to cook it straight from the package. So we're going to do score it around the sides, and come across. I have to do these about an inch maybe. Maybe an inch apart as well. And then on this side I'm coming down the sides to go score it as well. So I'll flip it back around. Then you see how it came down. Follow, trace this back along. And then we just come across the same way. Or just go in the depth of the knife here. Even about 1 inch. You can see the score marks making those nice cubes relative to about inch by an inch. Alright. And I've just got some plain yellow mustard from Kroger. Use that as our binder. I know some people like to do all this and then score it. I like being able to get into the lines, that way I can kind of spread it out as I'm rubbing it. And then too, when I put seasoning on there, you can kind of give it a little pinch and open them up, get a little seasoning down in there. The sides. Maybe I'm going to do a little bit on the outside. Some people do their bologna that way, some don't. I like to cover all sides of it. Alright. See everything's getting down in there well. We're going to use some meat church, honey hog. I put this stuff on just about everything, probably more than I should. Add it in there, spread open the scores. We'll have to get some more of this. What I'm already noticing is with the ham being a lot wetter than the bologna is having a tendency to stick on the cutting board a little bit more, but I think we're going to have enough seasoning on there to be just fine. Alright. Looks like plenty to me. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in the smoker. Just stick it here on this rack right there. Close it up. Let it go for about 2 hours. And then we'll be back to check on it. Alright, we've been in there for 2 hours at 220. Let's take a look. Good. Soft. Good marks. Good scoring. Let's take this over to the cutting board and take a closer look. Alright, let's cut a few slices up. Slice this first one kind of thin. Decent ring around. Run it Make it look pretty. How does it taste? Not too bad. That's good.
Alright, so overall impression, not the greatest, but definitely not the worst. Fun experiment. Still gonna be really good to eat. I'll probably take some, sear some in a pan, kind of get a little bit of a crust on that center section. Probably change this tremendously. I say go out there, get you some turkey ham, anything that's kind of this log configuration. Score it, put some rub on it, throw it in the smoker. Never hurts to experiment. That's gonna be it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, like, subscribe, check out the other socials. We'll see you next time.